As you can see, ito yung unit namin. So, 5 to 1. Mga unit combination siya. Level 5 to 7. So, ipasok mo sa unit is ito yung kitchen. So, yung mga gano'n dyan, yung mga cutleries, may water, may fridge. Tapos, ito yung ating living room, napakalaki. So, may Netflix po tayo. So, ito yung sofa. And as bunod po is ito yung master's bedroom. So, sa master's bedroom po natin, meron siyang sariling toilet. So, meron po siyang 2 double beds. And additional po, meron po tayong additional na 2 single beds there. At meron din po tayong Cleopatra na pwedeng pagpupuan habang magkakwentuhan. So, ang view po ng property is ang buong amenities po. Exterior residences. Ito sa Paranaque. So, pwede po moving. Pwede po moving. So it's good na mag-coffee kayo and chika-chika with friends and family. So next, pupunta naman po tayo sa kabilang bedroom. So we have 4 bedrooms, but the other one we're using it for our stocks and mga pang-change ng bedsheet. So second bathroom, this one. So, ito yung mag-uunahan o mag-aagawan sa bathroom when using it. And this is the other room, the second bedroom. So, view rin po niyan is ang amenities. As you can see. So, mag-view pa rin po ang amenities. And the other one, mas muna tayo sa isang bedroom. So, ito mga isang bedroom. So, you can see rin po, view rin po niya is, ang amenities, ang kadalahan po dito is, meron po siyang balcony. So, may additional siyang balcony. Yan. So, very relaxing. Yung iba po is nagpipipon dito po. Sabi mo, nagpipipon dito. Hindi po ito ng stay. So, yan. So, meron tayong konting tables. So, curtain. So, yan po yung rooms. And so, just a glimpse of it. And then next po. So, ito po yung kabuuan ng ating sala. So, nakikita niyo po is napakalapit niya. So, next po tayo may internet and Wi-Fi. And so, yun po. So, for information and inquiries, message nyo lang po ako. So, we look forward for ito guys ako our unit. And ask people to ask. And we can host also events. Ito gabi, napaka-relaxing po. Having with your friends, sitting with a story and patience. Thank you guys. Enjoy.